In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the date and time on your Android phone. Okay, so to do this, all you need to do is go to the settings on your phone, and then in the search bar, you can search for date and time. And once you begin typing date and time, it will pop up, and then all you need to do is tap on that. And now, as you can see, for me, it's set to automatically set the time. But to set the time manually, you just toggle set automatically off. And then you can go ahead and change the date and time manually. So if I go to the date and I select 4th of November, tap on OK, change the time, let's say to 8:10, tap on OK. And then you can see if I go to my home screen, the time is now 8:10. So that is how you change the date and time on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.